Okay, class, before we end our lesson on motion, I want to know what you learned today.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are we having a quiz today?
No, exactly. We will do a 1-minute paper.
What is that, ma'am?
This is a quick reflection for your understanding to help me what you're learning. Please get a piece of the paper and following the question that I will give to you. Okay, 1. What is the main point of today's lesson? Second, what is the most surprising concept? Third, what question do you still have? 4. What part is the most confusing?
Excuse me, ma'am. Do we need long answers?
Oh no, just short and clear responses.
How much time do we have?
Only 1 minute. Okay, class, time's up. Let's hear your answer now.
The lesson is about how distance, speed, and time are related.
Wow, very good.
Ma'am, I don't understand why the graph goes down.
Okay, that means the object is slowing down.
But teacher, I was surprised that a flat line means movement.
Okay, based on your responses, I see many of you understand our lesson, but some are confusing. So tomorrow we will do on that. Okay, class, this is the 1-minute paper is helpful to guide you for my teaching. Thank you for your participation.